I love working with alcohol inks, and especially working with alcohol inks and alcohol ink pearls. Now, alcohol inks themselves are a transparent ink. Alcohol ink pearls are an ink that has colored mica in it. So there is a metal ball in that bottle. You want to make sure to shake it really well to make sure it's fully mixed. I'm going to show you what the difference between using them with isopropyl and with using them with blender solution. The pearls really don't like the isopropyl. They're going to turn very gritty and not really move very much. When I go to the next paper and use it with blender solution, you'll see how they flow a lot better. So that's the way they look with isopropyl alcohol. You can use the regular alcohol inks with isopropyl, no problem, but once you add the pearls don't like the isopropyl. So now let's use it with some blender solution. On both of these pieces of paper are synthetic papers that are meant to be used with alcohol inks, and you can see right away how the alcohol ink pearls react so much differently with the alcohol ink blender solution than they did with the isopropyl. I'm just using an alcohol ink blower tool to just blow those colors around and blend them together a little bit. I'm trying to keep the regular alcohol inks from the pearls so that you can see the difference in the finish between the two. That colored mica just gives it a really nice shimmer, and it's a really nice addition to your alcohol inks. You can use them with alcohol ink colors. You don't have to use them completely separately. I'm not sure if the video is going to show the pearl or the mica really well, but they're a beautiful addition, and it's a great way to get a different finish to your alcohol ink products.